Hello everybody, Marcus Mitchell here, and we are about to attempting to go out in the snow. Have a truck warming up. This is what the snow looks like that way. We're going around 12 because the sun is right above us. And so it should be melting the snow. And it's a little bit warmer today than it was yesterday. People was getting it yesterday. But it's a little bit warmer today. So we're going to go ahead and try to go. We're going to go to the store. And then as I just got told, we may have a gig tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow in the snow. So it's on campus. So I'm going to take my trailer and head that way. We're gonna see what's the best roads and route to take. May, depending on the time, may even get up here and decide to go explore, see how everybody else is faring. But that's if I feel like risking the truck or getting stuck. It's got the all-terrain tires on it, so we should be good. I don't want to take no chances at all. That being said, take this ride with us and let's see where we end up. Hopefully it's back here at home after all this and not stuck in the road somewhere. But we should be straight. All the bread is gone. Need ground beef. So there's no ground beef. That's all. Next question. Somebody's doing smart. Look at these mountains of snow that was out here. I will tell you this. So I have learned that these are mud tires and not all terrain. So I want to get some mud tires, some all-terrain tires on here. Also, the other thing is my four-wheel drive is not working as it should. It's maybe a linkage in it. So I'm probably gonna have to. I'm gonna take it to the shop hopefully soon and get that looked at. This is the bread out of Walmart. It's a Hong Kong.
That is everything around you.
This is great. That man's dressed like Luigi.
No smarter.
More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say, do it to me. More than I can say.
It got milk.
Love so bad, love so bad, love so bad.
Hello, everybody. So, as far as the weather is, it's still like little parts that's like slippery. I will say that the interstate is open, but I would suggest that if you're gonna move, you need to what time? Learn how to manage your day though. I would suggest to you all, if you're gonna get out in this weather, you need to do so before. Well, do it before 3 o'clock. Because at 4 o'clock, all the stores that are open kind of right now are going to be shutting down, so workers can get home and get to their houses safely while the sun is still out and the sun is still melting the ice a little bit, because it's supposed to freeze over. And I'm suggesting, and today should have been the day that you really got out and did stuff, because tomorrow they're saying that it's going to come back and freeze again tomorrow, and the weekend's gonna be worse. Well, not worse, but it's gonna be about the same. So today it should be the day that you try to get on out and get some stuff done. And this is Wednesday, so I should did this morning or yesterday. I didn't want to change yesterday because it was still melting. Monday was like the worst of the days, and then Tuesday was kind of it got a little bit better. See people moving around, but I think my little chores, or what we're gonna see how well this trip performs when I get back to my house and I have to go up a hill. So far, I haven't had to go up like a extreme hill except for by my house. So, and for some reason my truck slips in normal weather trying to go up my driveway. So we're gonna see how that goes today. I may have to punch it back, but we're gonna see. Well, as far as where you want to get out is currently 2:50. 3 o'clock is about 10 minutes away. You need to be getting out in this weather every day. You need to start getting out around 11 a.m., maybe 10 a.m., well, especially 11 a.m. and 12 p.m., and then being done by 4 o'clock. So that gives you time to go do whatever you need to do, and then get back home, get back parked and safe and secure under the back at your place of residence before the light comes and it starts getting colder and the sun's not melting that ice. So I would suggest you all to go to get out during the daytime, 11 a.m. or 12 noon, and get to be done by 4 o'clock. You need to be pulling up in your driveway at 4 o'clock, and plus the stores are going to be closed at 4 o'clock. If you're not trying to get out to go store, you're just going to sightsee, I'm not going to say that you should, but to each his own. My point of coming to Ruston was kind of see how the damage is bad, but we also needed some stuff too. But to see how everything is looking. And so far it's coming to normal, but it may be getting worse. So I'd rather get all my stuff now so we can be prepared for the next couple of days in the house. I'm just trying to think of anything else that I can think of to tell y'all. But also, this was a very different snowstorm than what normally happens, because normally it snows for like a day or two, and then we're good, and we all can just move about again. And in fact, when the last time it snowed, we had the Nissan, and we was able to kind of get out and around and drive the Nissan. It was a little bit slippery and sliding, but we was able to make it through. This weather was very, you needed to have 4-wheel drive vehicles and all-terrain tires to really get to where you need to go. So, I think in the South, we should probably look at investing in getting some snow gear, getting some snow chains for our tires, getting all-terrain tires, and just have some on deck, just in case anything happens. Get you If you don't feel like putting them on, get you before it snows. Go get you some snow tires and get you some snow tires now. And then later on, go get them put on and get you something down. And then when the time's right, I meant to go by Walmart and get my tire aired up. Yeah, I still need to go do that. But get you some snow tires and just have them at the house. And then when it's time to, before the snow comes, take them somewhere and get them put on. This is my mother. Hey, I'm about to pull up in front.
Oh, okay. So you ain't coming to the store at all?
No.
Why'd you come to the store? Huh?
Y'all need jambalaya. Huh?
Okay, we got it like in my walls right now.
Unless they have.
Okay.
Okay.
Something started spinning in the past line, so I kept it singing to the far side. We were from the last line. Say it this the past,
Well, I'm about to come up to the front now, Ben.
It's fine, but they would say it that you passed mine.
We're gonna go meet up with my buddy Ed now. Got some gumbo. We'll go pick up and then we're gonna hit on the Grambling and get ready to go pick up the trailer. We may have a gig tomorrow. I think it's tomorrow, if not Friday. But we're gonna have a gig and I wanna move my trailer over before this weather gets bad. So hopefully all I have to do is just show up at the thing and pull what I need. You know what they say? God bless the ship.
Well, I know that you're young, and I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you. Well, I know that you're young, and I know you're naive, but you know that you got me sugar under your sleeve. But the way that you did me, and you're doing me still, I can't help but to wonder, is your love for me real? Now you.
here we are at the end of our journey. So from what I'm going to show you, in the last couple of seconds of the clip before this, I tried to back in the driveway, and that was unsuccessful. So I had to drive forward, and that one was unsuccessful. So now, I had to go up and down my driveway like 2 or 3 times. I ended up getting stuck. I would get stuck like right here. I wouldn't even get the truck in there. So I had to back on out and then give it like this one big, fast curl down up there. So, but I made it up until at least under the shed. Now, I like to have my truck like with the driver's side facing forward. But in this sense, and that was the main thing I kind of liked about this. Either way it's parked and about my driveway, I have no problem getting out of my driveway. It's getting back into my driveway. So since I've dealt with this problem and I can't get back into my driveway, I will say this: I'm preparing a snow survival kit, and that survival kit is going to be a shovel, because I could easily a shovel and a flamethrower. The other thing, I am going to probably go to R&R Tires and get $20 started on some brand new all-terrain tires, because that tire over there on the end, he's bulging, and he's also running flat right now, like he's losing the air, so to speak. But I have an air pump in the truck, so I'm not worried about it. I'll just blow him up whenever I need to. But I'm going to go all R&R Tires, get $20 starts on some brand new all-terrain tires. And then I need to go to the shop next week, because I told y'all that the truck it's starting to have a carbon monoxide thing going on with it inside. Like, I can smell the carbon monoxide in the truck when I turn my cool air on. So I'm probably going to go have that, take it back to them to look at. I took it to them the other time last week when I went with the module, and I wish I had mentioned my 4-wheel drive problem too, but I didn't. But because I think it would just been an easy fix, and it would really save me on this trip today. But all in all, we was able to get out. We made it around Grambling. We made it around Ruston. I was able to pull my trailer from the band room over to where we have an event that may be happening Friday, depending on the weather. But I was able to pull my trailer over that way and park it. So if push comes to shove, the weather gets bad than it is now, like they say it is, then I'm going to leave my truck parked. I got these nice boots on that can carry me to campus and back, or I'm get somebody to come pick me up. But all in all, we was able to get out, go shop, get food, get everything that we needed. Go to Ruston, get some stuff done, go see some people, and then come back home safe and sound without having to get a tow truck. Now, I will say this: I did get stuck at one part of my journey, but I went to my business partner's house and I got stuck. But luckily, he had his SUV and he had a tow hook, and so we put it around my bumper. I wasn't deeply stuck, but I was like lightly stuck in the road. But I was able to get it in my bumper. And he pulled me out, and once it just got pulled out a little bit, I was able to get to where I needed to go, as long as I stayed on the highways where the snow had already kind of been moved out the way. But next year, I'm planning my snow survival kit and what I need. Now, hopefully, I will be in a new house. I'm claiming it and manifesting it this year. I'm getting a new house. Gonna pay off this truck. Maybe get another truck. But I am going to get a side-by-side after I finish with this truck. I'm going to get a side-by-side. I'm also got another vehicle that's I'm working on, which was the Suburban I got from Mr. B. It has 4-wheel drive on it, and I need to get a transmission on it. I'm trying to get a transmission on it and get it back in the driveway. But get all-terrain tires on it. I think he has all-terrain on it. I'm not sure, but get all-terrain tires on it. On this truck, there's some work that needs to be done. Like I need to get the side steps on it done. I want to get some lights done on the truck. I want to get the bumper, the police car got the little barricades for bumpers, and the winch thing that I could tie to a tree and pull myself out if I need to. Get some brand new all-terrain tires on it, get my 4-wheel drive fixed, and then also get the snowing package on it so I can put a snow plow in front of the thing. And so that way we'll be ready for next year. But until then, success. It was success today. We got to what we needed to do. I'm happy. Everybody else should be happy. This light is slowly falling off. I need to order some brand new lights for it and get some work done to the truck. But other than that, I'm good. So until next time, catch y'all later.